In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect to Ubuntu Virtual Machine via OpenSSH on your Windows machine. So I will assume you have created the virtual machine, and if you want to learn how to create Ubuntu Virtual Machine for beginners, I made one course for that. So you're expected to have created this virtual machine, and to connect to it via OpenSSH, we click on connect, this first option of connect, and then we see option to connect by native SSH. Here we click on select, we select this native SSH, click on select, and then it populates the credentials you will use to log in. Give it a little time to validate. It has validated successfully, and we can see that port 22 is open, and also we can see the public IP address. But most importantly, the area we want to take a look at is this option 3. So in this option 3, we are going to provide the location of where we saved our SSH private key. During the creation of the VM, before you hit create, there will be option to download the .pem file. So we are going to put the location from our local machine where this is saved. In my case, I downloaded it, I put it in my download. So what I can do is to go to my download and copy the file path and then the name of the .pem file. So I am now in my download. One of the ways to copy this will be to click on this and click on properties. Then in the property, you will see the file path. And then remember, you have to also put the name of the file. That's this name of the SSH key. Okay, so let's update it in the portal. So we are now in the portal, and this is the file path and the file. This is the file path of where our .pem file is, and this is the name of our .pem file in this download folder. Okay, so if you also watch, you see that it's being updated as part of our connection parameters. So I'll copy this. When I copy this, I'll go to my download, or I can open command prompt and navigate and write the file path and then SSH from there. Or if I go to my download, so on my download, you can see the file here. I can simply type cmd here and hit enter. So it opens the command prompt, and then I impute our connection parameters as I copied from the portal, which is this SSH, and then the file path, the name of the SSH key, the username, and your the public IP address of the Ubuntu virtual machine. I will hit enter, and it prompts up this message whether I want to continue connection. I will type yes and hit enter. And now we are in the Ubuntu virtual machine. And we achieve this via OpenSSH from our Windows machine. So I made another video on how to enable OpenSSH on your Windows machine. So if you watch that video, you'll be able to enable OpenSSH and connect from your Windows local machine. We can go ahead and just run a command to update our repo and see Ubuntu virtual machine in action. I will run it as a sudo user, as a sudo. And I will hit enter. So this shows that our repo is up to date. Okay guys, this is it for accessing Ubuntu virtual machine via OpenSSH on our Windows machine. So what we did, prerequisite is, so you must have created the virtual machine. You download the private SSH key in a specific location. In my case, I downloaded to the download folder, and then I got the file path and the name of the file, updated it in the portal in that option tree, and then copied it, came back. You can navigate to the download folder via the command prompt, or simply go to the download folder and search CMD and hit enter, and then paste the connection parameter. And after that, we are able to successfully authenticate and connect, and then did an update, and we see that we are able to connect to the Ubuntu Virtual Machine via SSH. Thank you.